Hi everyone and welcome to a video of Kiwi Investments. This is the second video of me investing $58,500 into various stock markets. In the last video, you saw me investing $7,000 into the New Zealand stock market. And in this video, you will see me investing $9,000 into the Hong Kong stock market. This video is filmed well over a month, so by the end of this video, we will see how much I have gained or lost from this $9 grand investment. Is it going to make me some money or am I going to lose money from this investment? Over the next two videos, you will see me invest the remaining $42,000 into the American stock market. Don't forget to like this video if you like seeing these type of videos, and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on those future videos. If you want to sign up to the Tiger Brokers platform, then please use the referral link in the description below, because if you use that link, all the commission gets donated to charity, and it also motivates me to put out more videos like this. For transparency, I made a video of me donating the commission so you know the money is definitely going to a good cause. I will give you guys an update on the donation progress later on in this video, but for now, let's get on with this video. Here I am signed into the Tiger Brokers platform. If what you see here looks all too complicated, it shouldn't, because I made a tutorial video about this platform which explains everything you see here and much more. But down here in this section is our portfolio. In that video, you saw me buy into Cedic Limited and Apple. So if you go to the right a little bit, you will see that I bought 12 stocks of Apple about 3 months ago, and it is now up 10%, which is $166. I also bought 1,000 shares of Cedic Limited, and after 3 months, it has gone up 3.92%, which means it is up $311. So let's go add $9,000 more into this portfolio. And unlike my last video, where I split $7,000 and bought 4 New Zealand companies, I'm going to invest all of the $9,000 into one company in the Hong Kong stock market. So this will be a big investment into just only one company, and we will see how well that works out. The first thing to do is to convert that $9,000 into Hong Kong dollars. To do that, click on Assets tab here, and as you can see, if we click on Currency, I deposited the $9,000 today. So if we come down here and click on Currency Exchange, this window will pop up. Change this to New Zealand dollars. And as you can see, we can't change it to Hong Kong yet. We have to change it to the base currency first, which is US dollars. I want to exchange the full amount. So a little keyboard shortcut is to press 99999 and it will auto-populate the maximum amount. So go start exchange. It'll give me $6,243. And if you want to see how fair the conversion rate is, if you Google it, we can see that it is not too far from what Google says. Go start exchange, enter the PIN number, which we have set up before. Exchange successful. So now we have $6,492 in US, but we had to, let's go understand first. But now we had to change that into Hong Kong dollars because we want to buy a Hong Kong stock. So come up here and go 99999. It'll auto-populate, go start exchange. And now we are ready to buy stocks in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. To buy stocks, click on the tab that says Stocks. And the company I'm going to put all my money on is Tencent. If you want to know why, I did a video on how big Tencent is and how likely you might have been a consumer of Tencent and not even known about it. The link to that video will be in the description below. As I have previously mentioned, make sure the shares you want to buy are in the right stock market. As you can see here, this is in the Hong Kong stock market and not the US market. So I'm happy with that. If you look at the graph, it is currently trending downwards. Most Asian stocks are right now at the time of making this video. But I'm not worried because I have looked into the fundamentals of this company and I am happy to buy. So I'm going to come down here and click on buy. I'm going to click on this arrow here to buy one lot. For Tencent, one lot equals 100 shares. Remember, you can't buy fraction shares or even whole shares. You have to buy them in lots. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to go buy. If we expand this, we get a little bit more details. I'm just going to click on confirm. And there we go, order completed. If we go to details, we bought 100 shares of Tencent. Average price was what we put it to. Commission was $29. Hong Kong currency, direction was buy. Now let's see how that stock is doing. And it's going down, no surprises. Alright, so we bought into Tencent on the 10th of August. Today is now the 24th of October. So it's been about 2.5 months. So in 2.5 months, Tencent has gone up 5%, which means we have gotten a return of 2,511 Hong Kong dollars, which means if we convert that, we got a return of 323 US dollars, and in New Zealand dollars, we got $451 return from our $9,000 investment. If we come back and have a look at the graph, so if you zoom out, to make the graph bigger, you can click on these arrows to hide the sections next to them. And if we find 10th of August, which is around here, and if we click on this icon with the arrow and 2 lines, we can see how much it has changed. As soon as I bought it, it went down as you saw in the video, and it went down about 16%, which is a lot. I had no idea my investment went down this much because this is the first time that I logged back into my account since I bought Tencent. I know some of you out there check your investments every day, and if you see your investments go down every day, that can be stressful. You may make a decision that might not be the best one financially. So before I make an investment, I do a lot of research so that I'm comfortable with where I'm putting my money, and I don't check the price movements afterwards. Don't get me wrong, I still keep a close eye on things such as news, company announcements, trends, and competition, because things such as new inventions or policy changes could have an impact on the fundamentals of some companies. Investing should be seen as a long-term commitment rather than day-to-day price changes. This would be the perfect time to say, don't buy into a company just because you saw me or someone else buy into it, because you don't know when we sold it. Other YouTubers are even worse because they recommend stocks but don't even show them putting their own money in. Anyways, my point was that please do your research and be comfortable with your research to avoid emotional roller coasters. And I'm not saying buy and hold forever, because there might be companies that never recover to the initial price that you bought into. I have shown you examples of this happening to me with smaller companies. Majority of bigger blue chip companies have the experience and resources to bounce back from challenges. Anyways, it went down about 16%. And then it shot back up to about 7%, and now it's currently around 5%. Let's get rid of that and let's bring back the sections. As for the rest of the companies on my portfolio, Apple is up about 12% and Select Limited is up about 0.2%. And just to update you on the donation progress, together we have donated $205 into charity. And that's all thanks to you watching and supporting my channel. Even if you don't want to sign up to Tiger Brokers, liking and sharing my videos help to reach more people who might use my link, and that would mean more money goes to charity. So if you have supported my channel, these donations are made thanks to you. See you in the next videos where you will see me investing $42,500 into the American stock market. See you then.